Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech World tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Bank of America. So Bank of America is one of the world's leading financial institute, serving small and middle market businesses, large corporations, and government with a full range of banking, investing, managing, and other financial services. So to log into Bank of America, open up any browser. In my case, I'm going to use Google. So after opening up a browser, type in bankofamerica.com. This will lead you to its homepage. Now after entering the homepage, you can see in the red box, which should be on the left corner, there is user ID and password. Now place your user ID and your password. Make sure your user ID and password are valid. If you forgot your user ID, click on Forgot Password / Forgot ID. If you haven't signed into the account, click on Enroll, which will take you to the registration. Now fill your information and create an account. If your user ID and password are correct, enter to your bank account by clicking in Login. So this was the process of logging into your bank account. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified of our newest upload. So if this video was helpful, then do leave a thumbs up and stay tuned as we will be providing you with a similar kind of content. Thank you.